Hello friends, today I came with a new challenge. As you can see the thumbnail of my video, then you know that I'm gonna create the most popular design of this year 2025. I already know that the design can take my whole day to create, so I already made my extensions. If you are my regular viewer, then you know that this is my favorite technique to apply nail extension easily. They don't touch your skin at all if you apply them like this. And this is a time saving hack. It took me only 10 minutes to apply the extension except the shaping part. And also one more tip for you is that if you apply extensions like this, then you don't have to worry about the heat sensations in your nail bed. Because I already cured them and now I use the hard gel only for sticking, not for molding. I've done the application and now make them shine from downside too. Apply the non-wipe top coat and let it sit for few seconds. When it gets smooth, then we have to cure it for 60 seconds. I love how they shine. I measure the nail length with any tool, just see any line and observe each nail compared to the line. I am cutting the side walls because I need long oval nails. You can't cut the hard gel when your application will be very thick. It's a very strong gel. I made the extensions thin so I can cut them off easily. Let's shape them well. This time I don't buff them like non-stop buffing. Guys, we can work slowly on this part because we need energy to make it at the end. And you can see that I buff in one direction like up and down. If we do like this, then our nails don't need more buffing time and we can exactly see where they need to shape. And for cuticle line, I am using the same technique and avoid to use nail drill. This area is near the cuticle line and if you are a beginner, I suggest you to use this technique like I am doing here. They are perfect in minutes. Now we can start the design. Apply the black gel polish. I don't have gel polish in black, so I mix my regular nail paint with UV gel. Then I am applying the 9D Cat Eye Silver Gel Polish on the 3/4 nail. I did not decide the design, like I don't think that how I will make this, but I think that I can make as I want. Adjust the particle and keep them stay at the center with equal spread look. Now let's make my first ever 3D snake. I am making this snake for the first time and guys, I am telling you that I never seen any nail art which done by professionals in real life. Where I live, no one do the nails like this. Mostly all the people of my area like the regular nail paints. I never seen these all the nails which I create in my videos. I only see YouTube videos of creators and inspired by their work, create my own nail inspo like them. That's why I mostly do the mistakes and learn a lot from. I know that many beginners wants to create the professional designs but they can't do in one chance. When I used to watch the online videos of nail arts, then I always be like, oh, it's a beautiful design. I wish I could make it on my own. But now I started this journey and connected with you, and now I can make those all the nails which I loved once in my life. I want two fingers heavy design, one is thumb and other is ring finger. So I am working on the thumb, and guys, I don't know how it will look. I am trying my best to get the best results. Black on black is a different thing, and I did it. Now I can't see my details of the snake and gem. I am focusing on the details of the snake skin. I did not make the texture of the skin, but I will make the spots with milky white nail paint. I'm gonna make the gem like marble effect. I decided to work with these two colors and will continue the designs with including these colors. I'm using the golden glitter to the gem, but just a little bit. Thumb is done now. It's feeling very heavy and it took my 3 hours. But it's pretty. Let's move to the next one. Creating the wild snake flower which came in my mind, you can't find it anywhere else. It's all my view. I'm creating the texture with shaping tool and almost got it. But I don't know, will I keep it like this or do something else with that? It's like glass snake. I covered the texture and want to make it like thumb snake. Do all the steps again. Again, you can't find this design anywhere else, and this is gonna be the best design I have ever done on my this finger. And this is the final look. I love how they came out. It's about to be 6 p.m. and almost 6 hours, but the result is paid off. What do you think about this? Tell me in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.